Greetings, Solid Rock family. Welcome back to Solid Rock Entertainment with your host on the Central Coast, Sam G. Yes. Thank you for tuning in on a series I like to call The Solid Foundation, where I react and review foundational reggae music and anything positive. Sometimes we dibble and we dabble into little R&B and soul because we don't cold. Now, we're not going to pull any funny stunt, but this month is June and that's Black Music Month. Seen? So, also it's my birthday. This month is my birthday month, June 6th. Yeah? Yeah, I'm the birthday boy today, right? So yeah, June 6th, Tuesday, June 6th is my birthday. So, just gonna have a good time with some music, right? And it's only right, being that it's Black Music Month, it's only right to start it out with the king. Because good message he brings, right? And that's none other than Robert Nesta Marley, right? And we're going to jump into a tune entitled Trench Town, one of my favorites off the Confrontation album, which was released in 1983. Seen? So here we go. Trench Town.
River to wash my dread. Upon a rock, I rest my head. There I vision through the seas of oppression. Oh, don't make my life a prison. We come from trench town. Most of them come from trench town. We free the people with music. Can we free the people with music? Can we free the people with music? With music. With music. Oh, music. Oh, my head. In desolate places we'll find our bread. And everyone see what's taking place. Oh, another page in history. We come from trench town. Come from trench town. We come from trench town. Lord, we'll free the people with music. We free the people with music. We free our people with music. With music, oh music. They say it's hard to speak. They feel so strong to say we're weak. But through the eyes, the love of our people, they've got to repay. We come from trench town. We come from.
Big up Franklin Town, big up Denham Town, big up all around. But Bob said him come from.
Trench town.
Oh gosh.
Trench town. They say, can anything good come out of trench town? Trench town. That's what they say.
Yes. That
Not
was the
everybody gets a
gong.
chance to save the world.
Seeing that was the gong with Trench Town. All around. Seeing. Yes. And Bob Marley, made many mentions of, he's always, he don't hide the fact he grew up in Trench Town, You can, even if you listen to tune like Natty Dread, You know, when him say, walk up a First Street, and I walk up to Second Street to see. Those are places in Trenchtown. First Street, Second Street, Third Street, and all of that. See? Also, I wanted to share, since it's my birthday month, I ran into a cassette my father had bought me for my 11th birthday. The same album I play from right now with Trenchtown, the Confrontation album right there, see? Yeah. Rest in peace to my father, see? He passed away in 2016. But yeah, this is an album that he bought for me on cassette. Remember cassette? Bob Marley and the Wailers. Yeah, man. And to be frank, I remember I was the one that seen it, and I said, Dad, I want it, And he said, all right. When it was my birthday, we went to, I don't know if anybody remember Sears. But yeah, Sears used to sell music. And yeah, man, we went together, and he said, go and pick up the cassette, and there we go, man. So yeah. So you see, it's not just, we don't just play music, we live music. See? Yeah. Confrontation and album. See the cassette there. Yeah, man. And we don't do bootleg neither, we support the music. See? Yeah, man. We support the music. Yeah. Those are the days you could order t-shirts and stuff like that from the albums. But yeah. So Trenchtown. Second track on side B on this one, right? Yeah. So I tell you, we don't just, it's not no hurry come up thing, this. Solid Rock been in this. Solid Rock live music. See? So yeah. Keep tuning into the rock because we're not going to stop. We got some more vibes to come. See? All right. We come from Trenchtown.